My dear friend, this is Commander Sudhir at my YouTube channel Pulse Beat of India. Today, once again, I am addressing the youth of India. We have seen the power of youth. Just see in Olympic, Tokyo Olympic, what our youth have done. It is most significant that youth is now emerging and moving towards making India a great nation, a self reliant nation, a strong economy, and not only in one part they are participating, but the youth is taking keen part in every activity of India. Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India gave a very good signal by expanding his cabinet, where he has infused the women power and then youth and then qualified people into his cabinet, and he has taken the people from the downtrodden different areas of India. So that was a very good sign. And now see the youth power. On one side, the youths are becoming entrepreneurs. They are forming companies, and moment they form a company within a year or two, they have taken the companies to make them biggest unicorn in India, and now they are knocking the world door and they want to list themselves in other share markets everywhere in the world. So that is the power of youth. On other side, we have seen in sports and games, and then you see the kind of an youth which is coming now in administrative services, in police services, and even it is getting they are getting themselves in molding themselves, their character, their behavior, so that they are making nation great. They are always ready to help others, and the kind of a discipline which has been shown by youth, especially in this fight against pandemic, India fight against corona, had been significant because most of the doctors, the frontline workers, the frontline warriors, they are maximum young people. The same as paramedics, nursing, and other those are providing support. So that's where the India is now marching ahead. But here, the youth, when I share the things with youth, youths are disappointed that India is moving ahead, but still, we are having the reservations. Reservations should not be on the caste basis. I think the most blunder with this country was done when the reservation started. Initially, it was okay when India got independence, that reservation was given to a certain sections of society because they were not treated well earlier and they wanted. But now this India is a rising India. India is emerging. India is paying full attention. I feel the reservation should go, and in place of what youth wants, youth is also concerned the reservation should be given. But reservation should be given only on the basis of economic condition. The people, those are poor, they must be supported. It must not be on the caste basis. So what will happen? That people, those are poor, they will be given. And once again, it should not be, the suppose the parents are having 6 children, all the 6 children should be given that economic help or reservation. No, only uh, two children must be awarded with that. After that, who must be given? Anyone who is invalid, जो अपाहिज है, अपंग है, उनको सोसाइटी में एक रोल प्ले करने के लिए उनका कुछ रिजर्वेशन होना चाहिए कि कैसे हम उनको जो है ना अपनी नॉर्मल लाइफ में हाउ वी कैन ऐड देम. देन आफ्टर दिस देयर मस्ट बी पीपल दोज आर अनाथ, जो अनाथ हैं बेचारे, जिनका कोई नहीं है, उनके फैमिली के मेंबर्स या तो मर गए हैं, किसी ने किसी को कहीं पे छोड़ दिया है बच्चे को और वो बड़ा हो रहा है, तो अनाथ को रिजर्वेशन मिलना चाहिए. और लास्ट कैटेगरी रिजर्वेशन में होनी चाहिए कि जो हमारे लिए शहीद हुए हैं, जो बॉर्डर पर जो फौज के सिपाही शहीद हुए हैं या हमारे सिपाही एंटी टेररिज्म में शहीद हुए हैं, कहीं पे भी या प्राकृतिक आपदा से लड़ते हुए कुछ लोग शहीद हुए हैं, तो ऐसे सभी जो पुलिस बल हैं, पैरामिलिट्री है या हमारे डिफेंस फोर्सेज है, उनके जो शहीद हैं उनके बच्चों को रिजर्वेशन मिलना चाहिए। तो ये सारी चार कैटेगरी जो है आज का युवा चाहता है कि ऐसे लोगों को जो असहाय हैं, जिनको सहायता की जरूरत है, उनको सहायता मिलनी चाहिए। ये नहीं कि हम कास्ट के बेसिस पे रिजर्वेशन करते जाए, इसका कोई भी फिर रोकथाम नहीं हो सकती। आप मुझे बताइए कि मान लिया मेरा एक क्लासमेट, उसको रिजर्वेशन का फ़ायदा मिला आज से 50 साल पहले या 45 साल पहले, अब उसके बच्चों को भी उस रिजर्वेशन का फ़ायदा मिल चुका है, फिर उसके पोतों को, थर्ड जनरेशन को भी उसका रिजर्वेशन का फ़ायदा मिल चुका है। तो कहाँ तक ये औचित्यपूर्ण है कि भारतवर्ष जैसे देश में जहाँ पर नौकरी की, एम्प्लॉयमेंट की कमी है और हर एक आदमी जो है ना वो नौकरी चाहता है, सरकारी नौकरी चाहता है, तो किस तरीके से उनको नौकरी दी जा सकती है। तो मेरे ख्याल से ये पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज आपस में एक दूसरे से होड़ में लगी हुई हैं कि किस तरीके से रिजर्वेशन कोटा जो है ना इसको कंटिन्यू किया जा सके, जिससे वो इन सब कास्ट की जो है ना वोट उनको मिल सके। लेकिन मेरे ख्याल से जो अभी जो युवा चाहता है जो चार कैटेगरी अभी मैंने गिनवाई है, सिर्फ उन्हीं को रिजर्वेशन मिले। तो इसके साथ फिर एक, वी हैव टू सल्यूट द पावर ऑफ यूथ, वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट द यूथ सेंटिमेंट, वी हैव टू रेस्पेक्ट द एस्पिरेशंस ऑफ यूथ। टुडे यूथ वांट an equitable society. Today, youth want that all the opportunities should come and flow equally to the all section of society, and especially to the last mile, to the weaker section, to the poor of India, so that they come up in life and they also enjoy a satisfactory life in their life. With this, till I get next again something for the youth, I say to you that if you like the contents of my videos and if you like the range of topics, because that matters to you, I am discussing only those topics, please do like, press like at my video and subscribe. And also I request you, ask your family members, ask your friends to subscribe my video channel Pulse Beat of India, to know the pulse of India. Dear youth, you subscribe Pulse Beat of India. Jai Hind.